Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and create a Twitch account? This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is go ahead and open a browser, any browser of your choice, and simply search for Twitch, just like that. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link that pops up. And all you need to do is on the top right hand side of your screen, there's going to be a button called sign up. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and enter a username. So for example, there you go, and go ahead and set up a password. Just like that. Go ahead and enter your birth. And then finally go ahead and enter your mobile number. Click on sign up. And finally, it's going to go ahead and send you a 6-digit code on the number that you entered. So let's wait for that. As you can see, I just got it. Once you've entered that, simply go ahead and click on done. And there you go. That's how you just created your Twitch account. All you need to do is go ahead and choose some interests of yours, and you can simply go ahead and start watching or
Okay, I'll audition.
So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, definitely hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.